Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RV'ing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck, and we're getting ready to do a pack up today. So I'm going to pack up just about everything. Might even back up the RV, get it situated so it's heading out, and then we'll be leaving in the morning tomorrow towards west towards Kingman. Going to stay at the entryway to Route 66 over there in Seligman at just a travel stop gas station. And then we're going to head up Route 66 and end up at a Sundowner Saloon in Kingman to stay the night there. And then the day after, dump all our tanks and everything. But I'm just going to go over real briefly all the things that I do to pack up. And Ninja was over here helping, but she's got to make her way to rolling some dirt, I believe. Yep, there she goes. Dirty kitty. So I'm not exactly sure what happened to the sound and speed here. Everything got slowed down, so apologize. But I'm just showing the poop caddy that I'll have to load up at the very last part onto the back of the cargo trailer of the Jeep. 3 6-gallon water bottles that have to be loaded. There's my old rug that I've got to donate to somebody. And these are all things I'll start packing up now. And now switched over just to show you, I've got to pack up the rug. It's a giant rug. It's going to take up a lot of space. And throw my zero gravity chair in there. These little lights that are on the 4 corners of the rug, as well as the 10 stakes holding in the rug. And I keep out my camping chair to the very end. And continuing with my audio issues, I'm showing you that I've picked up the rug. I've closed the front hood of the RV, took out the lights. I took out that inside reflector part just to add a bit of ease to doing things tomorrow. Keep out that floor mat there just to wipe off my feet. And then coming around the back here, showing you that I packed up the motion lights here. I've already got the caddy in place to be ratchet strapped in with tie downs. I've taken away the propane tanks, and now the RV's running off its own propane, and we're moving along pretty good. And now I'm heading over the Jeep. You can see Ninja is up on top watching everything. She's learned how to get it up and down the Jeep pretty easily. And I'm trying to show you the Jeep's got the water tanks inside, got the carpet inside, lots of stuff packed in here. And once again, I cannot find my microphone. Need to buy like 10 and put them all over. But as you can see, this morning I put in the slide out from the bedroom right there. Hooked up the Blue Ox connectors to the Jeep. Put the Jeep in neutral. And we are ready to roll. Got about an hour drive today. And I'm just going to walk the camp area to make sure I didn't leave anything behind. And once I get onto pavement after the forest road, I like to come out and double check that my lights and everything are working good. And more importantly, that any connection that may not have been perfectly tightened on is still doing good. Light's good. Chain's good. And let's double check this. To let you know, this forest road that starts here showed 2 days ago on Google Maps that it was closed for the winter. So they must be getting ready to close up. Oh boy. Yeah, see, we're gonna have to redo this. That slid right off. Well, we made it. Home sweet home right on the I-40. To let you know, Seligman is a super small town, and it's about 70 miles west of Flagstaff, and it's about 70 miles east of Kingman. So tomorrow we're gonna hit the road where Route 66 goes up here, goes to the north and then to the west. We're gonna do that route. It was a year or two ago I parked this way, and I'll tell you, this place just filled up with semis all over the place. So hopefully I'm right up against the bushes here. Let me go back this way to show you. The slide out, even though I've got reflectors on it so people will see it at night, is pretty much protected by the Jeep. So if somebody's coming around here in a semi, they're gonna probably stay away from the Jeep and then come over this way. Whoa, look at that guy. Whew, got some food in his mouth. So it's 70 degrees now, which is the high here in Seligman. Out in my property 20 miles west of Kingman, it's 77 degrees. Tomorrow's supposed to be 80. And then for the next 10 days after that, mid-70s pretty much. So perfect timing to head out there just as that 80-degree mark hopefully disappears. And yes, I let Ninja out everywhere I go. Right, Ninja? Like, where are we at? Thought I'd give you a view to the west and to the south. Got a good breeze going on here, and that's kind of where we came from. No more ponderosa pines. You see on the hill in the distance there's some juniper or pinyon trees. Then once you get to Kingman, it's nothing but desert. So that's going to do it. Just a simple packing up camp and hitting the road. As you can tell, I like to do things that make my days pretty easy. So packing up camp one day, hooking up the Jeep, moving the next. Only driving 60 miles. I'm in no hurry. In fact, I just went and walked that 150, 200 yards into the store, got myself a Subway 6-inch chicken teriyaki sandwich. Oh, so good. Loaded with all the veggies. It was really good. Very pricey. I remember the days of $5 footlongs. No more. My 6-inch chicken teriyaki cost $8.50 after tax, $7.99 plus tax. But anyway, got me a little exercise, got me a little treat. Tomorrow we'll be doing that Route 66 into Kingman, and you'll see that on the next video. From Ninja and I bid you adieu. Be positive, be nice, be active.